Hi everybody, how's it going? Welcome back. So today we're going to vectorize the MSE, or the mean squared error function. So now it looks like this horrible mess, but we can clean this up so easily. So again, we'll grab the function definition and change it very slightly. And so we have the MSE, which takes a vector of y's and a vector of y hats. Before they were lists, but now we're going to assume that y's is a NumPy.array with shape. Well, how many is there going to be? We don't really know. There's going to be n of them. Okay, we'll make it look like this, just n comma like that. And we can actually make y hats at the same thing. So y's and y hats are, just for proper English, they both are a NumPy array with these shapes. So off screen, I just wrote the pretty formula for the MSE, which is 1 over n times the sum, its size goes from 1 to n, of yi minus y hat squared. And so all that's saying is that we get the difference between each actual y value observed and the predicted value for that, then we square that and sum it with all of the other ones, and then divide by the number of things that we saw, which is n. Now, we can do this with the for loop very easily over here, except it's a lot of code and it's slow code. We can make this a lot cleaner and faster with NumPy by doing, think about this, if I was to write differences is equal to y's minus the y hats. Okay, think about what this did. So y's is a vector and y hats is a vector. They're both n-dimensional. So if we take the subtraction between them, we actually just have a differences vector. So if we have all of the differences stored in a vector, well, what do we have to do after that? Well, we need to square each of them. And so I can say squared diffs. I'll say that's the same as differences. So squared differences is equal to differences squared. Okay, that's how we do squared. And just to, I'm not sure if I showed this before, but we can do NumPy.array of 1, 2, 3, square that thing like that, and we get the element y squared. So that's 1 squared, 2 squared, and 3 squared right there. Okay, so now we have all of them, a vector of differences that are squared. So now what do we need to do? We need to sum those values. So we can do summed squared differences is equal to the sum. We can do a sum of a vector like this, squared differences. Okay, so now we have all of those values summed, and then all we need to do is return this divided by n, or 1 over n times that. It's the same thing. So 1 over n times, we haven't defined what n is, but we can quickly get n is equal to the length. This will still work. N is the length of the y's, or the y hats are the same thing. So return 1 over n times that summed square differences, because that's now a value. And that is our MSE. So let me just show you that it works down below. So again, off screen, I just grabbed some stuff for you because it's kind of boring. I got a predictions of 2, 3, and 4, and actuals of 1, 1, and 4. And so the MSE of this thing, well, we'd take the difference here, we'd get 1. We'd take the difference here, we'd get 2, and the difference here is 0. So we have a difference of 1 and 2. So we square those things. So we get difference of 1 and 4. Sum that, we get 5. We divide that by 3. So 5 divided by 3 would be 1.6. So that is our MSE function. Relatively short video today, but it's nice and clean. I love that code. So I'm going to see you in the next video tomorrow.